Good morning, students. I am Sanuka from JPPS. Student, today we start theorem of exercise 8.2. In previous video, we discuss about types of quadrilateral. We discuss about parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square, and trapezium. And in previous video we proved some theorem of parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus and square. And our exercise 8.1 already complete. Now today topic is theorem of exercise 8.2. Today our topic is midpoint theorem. So student, today our topic is midpoint theorem. Student, today we discuss midpoint theorem. First statement of midpoint theorem. What is the statement? The line joining the midpoints of two sides. The line joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side and half of third side. What is the statement of midpoint theorem? The line joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side and half of third side. Student, suppose we have a triangle ABC. Student, suppose we have a triangle ABC. A, B, C, B, any triangle. D is midpoint of AB. E is midpoint of AC. D is midpoint of AB. E is midpoint of AC. We join DE. D is midpoint of AB. E is midpoint of AC. Now we join DE. Student, आपने क्या किया? Join DE. DE parallel to BC and DE half of BC. Student, we have a triangle ABC. आपके पास क्या है? Triangle ABC है. अपने AB के midpoint को जो D is midpoint of AB, E is midpoint of AC. We join DE. We saw that DE parallel to BC. आपको कैसे करना है? DE इसके पैरेलल होगा, BC के पैरेलल होगा, and DE half of BC. It is called midpoint theorem. It means student, आप ट्रायंगल्स की टू साइड्स के मिडपॉइंट को ज्वाइन कर रहे हो. ट्रायंगल्स की आपने क्या किया? टू साइड्स के मिडपॉइंट को ज्वाइन किया. देन लाइन सेगमेंट joining the midpoint of two side is parallel to third side and half of third side. It means DE parallel BC, and DE half of BC. So student, आपको क्या प्रूफ करना है? DE किसके पैरेलल होगा? BC के पैरेलल होगा, and DE किसके हाफ होगा? BC के. Same student, if we join midpoint of AB and BC. Student, if we join midpoint of AD and BC, suppose midpoint of BC is F, midpoint of AB is D, midpoint of BC is F. If we join DF, student, आपने क्या किया? साइड B and साइड ए बी एंड साइड बी सी के मिड पॉइंट को ज्वाइन किया, बी सी। देन वी सो दैट डी एफ पैरेलल टू ए सी। आपको कैसे करना है, डी एफ पैरेलल टू ए सी एंड डी एफ हाफ ऑफ ए सी। बाय मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम डी एफ इज पैरेलल टू ए सी एंड डी एफ हाफ ऑफ ए सी। Same student, if we join midpoint of AC and AB, if we join midpoint of AC and BC, then EF parallel to AB, EF parallel to AB, and EF half of AB. So student, by midpoint theorem, if we join a line segment joining the midpoints of two sides, a line segment joining the midpoint of two sides is parallel to third side and half of third side. So student, first given, what is given? In triangle ABC, D is midpoint of AB, D is midpoint of AB, E is midpoint of BC. What is given? D is midpoint of AB and E is midpoint of BC. What we prove? Now to prove DE parallel to BC and DE half of BC. Student, what we prove? DE parallel to BC and DE half of BC. Now construction. Now student, construction is, student, draw a line parallel to AB pass through C. What concept? Draw a line parallel to AB pass through E. So student, we draw a line XY parallel to AB and pass through C. Student, construction is, draw a line parallel to AB pass through C and produce DE, and student, produce DE which cut XY at F. What is construction? Draw a line XY parallel to XY parallel to AB and pass through C. Student, draw a line XY parallel to AB and pass through C. Produce DE which cut XY at F. Produce DE which cut XY at F. Now student, proof. Student, see here we have two triangle. First triangle ADE. First triangle is ADE. Second is EFC. Student, we have two triangle. First triangle ADE. Second is EFC. E is midpoint of AC. E क्या है? AC का midpoint है. So AE equal EC. Student, D is midpoint, E is midpoint of AC. So AE equal EC. Same angle AED. Angle AED equal to angle FEC. Vertical opposite angle. Angle AED equal angle FEC. Vertical opposite angle. Same angle DAE. Angle DAE equal angle ECF. Student, we have two triangle form. First ADE, second CFE. AE equal EC because E is midpoint of AC. AE equal EC because E is midpoint of AC. Angle AED equal angle FEC, vertical opposite angle. Angle DAE equal FCE, alternate angle. Now student, in triangle ADE and triangle CFE. In triangle ADE and CFE, angle AED equal angle FEC. Angle AED equal angle FEC because vertically opposite angle. Same AE equal EC because E is midpoint of AC. AE equal EC because E is midpoint of AC. Angle DAE equal angle ECF, alternate interior angle. This is alternate interior angle. So student, triangle ADE similar congruent to CFE. Triangle ADE congruent ACF. Student, both triangle are congruent. So AD equal CF. So AD equal CF. And DE equal EF. By CPCT. Student, triangle AED and CFE both are congruent triangle. So AD equal CF and DE equal EF by CPCT. So student, we prove both triangle are congruent. So AD equal CF and DE equal EF. Now student, we prove AD equal CF and DE equal EF. We have AD equal CF and DE equal EF. Student, D is midpoint of AB. So AD equal DB. Because D is midpoint of AB. So DE equal AB. Now AD equal CF and AD equal DB. स्टूडेंट AD किसके इक्वल है, CF के इक्वल है, एंड AD किसके इक्वल है, DB के इक्वल है. दिस सिंप्लाई CF इक्वल DB. स्टूडेंट दिस सिंप्लाई CF इक्वल DB. इट मीन्स CF इक्वल DB एंड CF पैरेलल टू DB. स्टूडेंट CF क्या है, DB के पैरेलल है, एंड CF क्या है, DB के इक्वल है, एंड CF equal DB and CF parallel DB. Student, in previous video we discussed a theorem. If any quadrilateral, one pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal, then quadrilateral form a parallelogram. Student, in previous video we discussed a theorem. If any quadrilateral, one pair of side is parallel and equal, then quadrilateral be a parallelogram. In quadrilateral DBCF, student, in quadrilateral DBCF, DB parallel CF, DB क्या है, CF के parallel है, and DB equal CF, DB parallel CF and DB equal CF. So quadrilateral DBCF is a parallelogram. Student, this implies quadrilateral DBCF is a parallelogram. Quadrilateral DBCF is a parallelogram because DB parallel CF and DB equal CF. Student, DBCF is a parallelogram, so DF parallel to BC. This implies DF parallel to BC, DF equal to BC, and DF parallel to BC. DF equal to BC and DF parallel to BC. Student, DF क्या है, BC के पैरेलल है, सो DE इज पार्ट ऑफ DF. स्टूडेंट, जो आपके पास DE है वो क्या है, DF का पार्ट है. व्हेन DF पैरेलल टू BC, सो DE ऑल्सो पैरेलल टू BC. स्टूडेंट, DF पैरेलल टू BC, DF क्या है, BC के पैरेलल है. DE इज पार्ट ऑफ DF. जो DE है वो क्या है, DF का पार्ट है. So DF DE parallel to BC. This implies DE parallel to BC. It means line segment is parallel to BC. Now student, DF equal to BC. DF can write, student आपके पास DF है, DF can write DE plus EF. DF can write DE plus EF. So BC equal to DF. DF can write DE plus EF, but DE equal EF. स्टूडेंट, DE किसके इक्वल है, EF के इक्वल है, सो BC इक्वल DE plus DE. BC equal to DE. Student, this implies DE equal 1/2 BC. Student, this implies DE equal 1/2 BC. DE parallel to BC. DE क्या है, BC का parallel है, and DE half of BC. So student, if in triangle we join midpoint of two sides. Student, in triangle we join midpoint of two sides, then side is parallel to third side and side half of third side. Student, firstly we have given a triangle ABC. आपको क्या given है, triangle given है. D is midpoint of AB, E is midpoint of AC. DE, we saw that DE parallel to BC and DE half of BC. Student, we draw a construction, we draw a line XY parallel to AB pass through C. We draw a line XY parallel to AB pass through C. Student, firstly we have two triangle. First triangle ADE, First angle is ADE, second is CFE. Angle AED equal FEC, vertical opposite angle. AE equal EC because A is midpoint, and angle DAE equal CFE, alternate angle. So both triangle are congruent. When both triangle are congruent, then corresponding part also equal. So AD equal CF and DE equal EF. AD equal CF and DE equal EF. Now student, in quadrilateral DBCF, DB parallel CF and DB half of CF. In quadrilateral DBCF, DB parallel CF and DB equal CF. So quadrilateral DBCF is a parallelogram. So DF parallel to BC. When DF parallel to BC, so DE parallel, DE also parallel BC. DF equal to BC. DF can write DE plus EF. DE equal EF. So putting value of EF equal to DE, BC equal to DE. So student, DE is half of BC. So student, in parallelogram, line segment joining the midpoint of two sides is half of third side. Sorry, in triangle, line segment joining the midpoint of two sides. In triangle, line segment joining to midpoint of two sides is parallel to third side and half of third side.